So good morning guys. So wala nang ulan. Back to work pero tanaw ko na to karon kung nabay bus or train na to masakyan karon. Baha pa guys, baha. Wala pa pabalik sa back to normal. Boss, the metro until where? Dubai Mall?
There is train until Center Point, there is direct train. So going to Expo until Max, then you will change the platform. There is train going until Business Bay, but it's a single line, so you'll have to wait. From Business Bay until Jebel Ali, there is no train. No train from Business Bay until Jebel Ali. For the bus, not sure, you'll have to check taxi, you can check also.
Daming tao.
Kaya magkana wala. Ano lang ka na naman to? Lagon. Kaya naman tao.
Palabas din tayo boy. Wala pala pre. Oh, wala.
Pwede nyo lang daw tayo, wala pa si Marcos kami sa Palestina.
Saan tayo?
Wala nga, saan ka taga?
Naman dito mo tayo.
Target locked.
Dulo to, dulo.
Tayo mag-intay para tayo.
Niluluto ako.